In a story few could have foreseen, yesterday Apple was forced to lobotomize its game-changing new AI feature that summarizes the news, because it's been hallucinating world events that never actually happened.
Yo, when are we gonna get a good product, Apple?
Like, did you hear Netanyahu was arrested, or Juicy Smollett's conviction was overturned, or that there's poo in your underwear? Two of those stories are not actually true, but if you have an iPhone, you might be consuming artificial misinformation. The issue became so bad that a mainstream reporter from the Washington Post
Trump tariffs impact Pam Pondi. This is period. This is my periodic rant. That Apple Intelligence is so bad that it got every fact. God damn, my nigga. You know what you gotta do to get every fact check wrong? Yo, who your development team, bro? You won't cap, cause this not it. You gotta raise Steve Jobs from the dead at this point, cause this is not it. Mm-mm.
said it's wildly irresponsible that Apple doesn't turn off summaries for the news app until it gets a bit better at this AI thing. Apple actually listened and is temporarily turning off news summaries, and in the future will put a disclaimer on every notification that it may contain errors. I'm dumbfounded that Apple Intelligence is not all that smart, but it's not even close to the stupidest thing going on in tech right now. And by the end of this video, you might think we're entering a singularity of stupidity.
I told you, I've been saying that. I've been saying that this whole tech movement of niggas thinking this is an upgrade and shit. Yeah, it gotta be stupid niggas. It gotta be stupid niggas. Led by stupid niggas. Led by a blonde stupid nigga. Cause all we getting is AI generation, text to video, and fucking yeah, that's really all we getting. And we getting in different variants. It's like mosquitoes, my nigga. We hate mosquitoes, but them niggas come in different sizes, shapes, form. You could find a malaria mosquito in Africa, and you could find a skinny ass mosquito downtown in Michigan. Niggas is still annoying wherever you go, type shit. That's what we are in the tech world, bro. AI over here, AI over there, but they both still can't do shit for us. So we just got dead robots.
It is January 18th, 2025, and you're watching the Code Report. Apple Intelligence, not to be confused with artificial intelligence, is an incredibly innovative and perfectly balanced product. In fact, it's so good that there's now a subreddit dedicated to Apple Intelligence fails. One thing it tries to do is read your text messages and summarize them. It's rarely useful, but on the bright side, when it gets things wrong, it can be pretty hilarious. Like when you find out you have multiple emergencies like a house break-in, a fire, and a lost Fortnite match. But it also summarizes the news, and that's how I learned that tech bros are being overthrown by minority coalitions. To be fair though, Apple Intelligence is self-aware and can recognize a poorly executed
This is very funny. I finally have Apple Intelligence, and this is a summary I got. Summary of a poorly executed Apple AI mention.
feature. Unfortunately, I can't say the same for tech bro mogul Mark Zuckerberg. People freaked out last week when he said they're building AI mid-level engineers, and then a couple days ago, he put his money where his mouth is and laid off the bottom 5% of low performers at Meta. And in a leaked internal memo, it said they're looking at an intense year ahead.
Yeah, he did leak a 5%, but the reason he leaked 5% was more so Mark Zuckerberg did the stupidest thing a nigga could do when you don't understand something, which is just throw money at it and hope the money's gonna fix it. So this nigga threw a whole bunch of dollars during Trump campaign last time into AI and all of that shit back when NFTs was a thing. Yeah, that didn't turn out to be a good ROI. You feel me? Like, and over the course of time, you've seen what it did to the algorithm with TikTok. I said TikTok, but basically Instagram is TikTok at this point, my nigga. Them niggas had to pivot real quick, right back to reality. So Zuckerberg still gotta, recoup on some old money he lost. So 5% of some labor workers, that's a tax write-off. Y'all never heard of that? I can't put everybody.
Call me crazy, but I don't trust this guy. Disclaimer, the clip I'm about to show you is hard to watch, where Mark Zuckerberg is accused of lying about his bow hunting skills to look cool in front of Joe Rogan.
What kind of bow do you have?
Gosh, I didn't get to do it this season, but
Do you know the company that makes it?
not off the top of my head. I have a few.
You have to know. You
Yeah,
have to
no,
know
this
all
is
that stuff.
embarrassing. This is embarrassing. um,
Did you get someone to coach you?
yeah.
Who coached you?
It's basically a bunch of the guys who help run security around the ranch.
Okay.
Yeah.
As awkward as that was, maybe he's not lying, but even if he does replace all mid-level engineers with AI, you can still work for a different tech billionaire named Elon Musk who's looking for human engineers, and no degree is required, just show him the code. I'm looking for a job myself, so I sent him my code on localhost 8080. I haven't heard anything back yet, so wish me luck. Elon has had an interesting week. Over 200,000 Teslas were recalled for rear-view camera issues, but Elon's most embarrassing fail this week was that he was called out by streamer Asmongold for not being as good as he says he is at video games.
There's no way he played.
I ain't gonna lie to you. I seen that too, and I ain't want to do no coverage because Elon, I can't believe you will go out there on air and lie about video games, my nigga. Like, you know how childish that is, bro? Nigga, if you don't get your ass up and go fucking do something better, how the fuck you got into the gaming community and got them upset? Cause your ass is lying about getting to level 9,000. You know these niggas don't leave the crib? What the fuck is you doing, Elon? You outside every day. Nigga, you was a first-time Republican. Why the fuck do you care what gamers think about when you're on Diablo 3 or whatever the fucking game is, bro? This is not no fucking, I don't know how the fuck, he's not a gamer though. Whatever. Even lying or not, that's like what's going on with Drake. Y'all niggas is not taking him serious. He's suing UMG. I ain't hear one nigga come out and say, oh, this, that, and the third. All niggas is saying is you petty. They keeping it cute. You got the gaming career. You got the gaming community in a tirade, bro. Them niggas is ready to assassinate your name. Respectfully, too, cause nigga lying about playing not. Oh, God.
You see, Elon is one of the top-ranked players in the world at Path of Exile, and also Diablo 4. But according to experts of this game,
Diablo
this account is
4.
highly sus, and very likely a boosted account where Elon pays someone to level up in the game for him. After Asmongold streamed about this and brought attention to the situation, Elon then got really mad and took away his blue checkmark, and then leaked their private DMs. It's an incredibly petty and stupid situation, so let's get...
Elon, yo, what the fuck? Yo, we live in a country of free speech, bitch. What the fuck? You can't take a nigga checkmark because the nigga is calling you out on some this. You moving like a nerd in middle school, bruh. I ain't gonna cap. The minute you got something on someone, you snitching to the teacher. Like niggas can never trust you because once you're in that position of power, you turn into a fucking narc. So
Get back to something serious like AI. One of the big tech CEOs that I hate the least is Satya Nadella. He transformed Microsoft from a company that virtually every developer hated into a company that now no developer can avoid, with tools like VS Code, GitHub, and so on. But now they're shifting focus and formed a new division called Core AI, where the purpose is to create AI agents, which they expect to be a bigger paradigm shift than GUIs, internet servers, or cloud-native databases. Speaking of agents, Amazon has also been desperately trying to get agents implemented into its Alexa spy device, but the darn thing just keeps hallucinating. Amazon wanted to launch this thing back in October, but it's still delayed to this day. But if you made the mistake of opening Twitter recently, you'll notice there's all kinds of vague hype coming out of OpenAI around artificial superintelligence. There's like this mass delusion among tech bros that artificial superintelligence is about to come, and that's despite the fact that all of OpenAI's recent launches, like Sora and O1, have been largely buggy and disappointing.
see, you wanna know what the problem is with the tech community? Y'all niggas is pathological liars. Oh yeah, all of y'all niggas lie so much. See, a nigga like me, I don't never gotta experience it firsthand because I'm out here telling the truth, even on my motherfucking resume, nigga. I had to look at myself the other day like, maybe I need to take one out of the Tech Bros library. Because y'all niggas is pathological liars. Oh my fucking God, my boy. Yo, y'all niggas know how to make senior developers look like junior developers, bro. I don't know how, but y'all niggas is a professional now at capping, bro. Put them niggas behind a computer though. It's a wrap. Them niggas is outsourcing everything in their moms. So like, yo, just remember that for the people coming out of college. Don't be capping, bro. Right? Unless you know how to cap. Yeah, I ain't saying it's wrong. If you know how to cap your way into the door, I ain't no hating ass nigga. Cap, nigga. Cap and gown, my nigga. You feel me? Like, but just letting y'all know there's some 99% of the programmers you think is nice with it.
they had anything close to an AGI, let alone an ASI, they wouldn't need all these job listings for software engineers. Artificial superintelligence will never come, and I'm willing to die on that hill because if I'm right, and if I'm wrong, we'll all be dead anyway. There is one new product that came out yesterday, though, that
Yeah, that
decidedly gets
Nintendo
AGI wrong,
Switch.
and that's the Nintendo Switch.
Yeah, that Nintendo
Nintendo
Switch,
released a trailer for it
nigga.
yesterday, and while many Nintendo fans are excited, shareholders are not impressed, and the stock dropped after the launch. It appears the Switch 2 is not going to be some revolutionary new product, but really just more of the same with some much needed better hardware. But
Man,
another massive failure in tech this week is TikTok. If ByteDance doesn't sell TikTok by Sunday, January 19th, it'll be banned in the United States and you could go to jail for using it. American TikTok users are already posting their heartfelt goodbye videos. What's most hilarious, though, is that many
time
of them
out.
in Mandarin.
Time out. Niggas didn't tell me you going to jail behind using TikTok. Hold on. Time the fuck out. Hold on. Let me look into this one. I ain't gonna cap. Will you go to jail for using TikTok? Cause that's a time out. You done if that's true. And that's the man. Like, that's wild. Experts say after they want to download, it could stop working. Alright, you scared the shit out of me, bro. Don't be saying that J word. I don't like that J
But you
word,
go use
nigga.
the Chinese alternative app, RedNote. But sadly, what they're finding is that the Chinese don't even want these refugees. This has been the Code Report. Thanks for. But sadly, what they're finding is that the Chinese.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, them Chinese niggas on Red Note is disrespectful, bro. Yo, that there was one nigga. He said, "Don't be bringing none of that American shit over here." I commented, "Can I stay?" That nigga said, "I need some money." Like niggas is trying to extort you in the comments, and they got gang with them. I ain't gonna cap. That's hey, look, I ain't fight back. You crazy? They had like 18 Chinese niggas. You already know them niggas is taking your data. Nigga, I'm moving tactical on that motherfucking app, nigga. I ain't trying to come home to some shit. You feel me? But them niggas is they mobbing on that motherfucker, bro. I need Trump on that app. I already tagged that motherfucker. That nigga need to get on that app. Quality control. QCA. Quality control, my nigga. But yeah, we out of here. As usual, like, comment, subscribe, and we out of here.